Making some preparations here for our Vietnamese lumpias, which are Vietnamese egg rolls. So we're using a rice sheet instead of the wheat that you normally get like the Chinese. So this, rice noodles with some seasoning mixture, some sauce mixture in there. It's kind of a little secret. Sauteed onions, we're gonna have some green scallions, and shrimp, of course. We're gonna wrap them all up, we're gonna fry them.
Looks good.
We have to cook these first, blanch them all out, till they're nice and soft, make the mixture, we roll them all up, and then we fry them.
Okay.
So it's a process. This is phase one.
We will check back with you later.
Listen, what I'm doing right now, I'm making a filling for my egg rolls. We have rice noodles that have been blanched, so they're nice and soft. I sauteed some onions, diced them up, sauteed them with some butter, added in the mixture, some spring onions. Now I'm dicing up some fresh shrimp. We're gonna put some fresh shrimp in there. And then I'm gonna get the wrapper paper ready to go, and then we're gonna start wrapping them and start frying them. So we're getting closer every minute.
Okay, we'll check.
I did add a sauce in there. I'm not gonna tell you what it is because that's later on when we do the recipes. You get the complete recipe. Now it's just, you know, how I say.
All right.
Keeping it a little bit of secret, okay? We'll finish this up in the future.
We will check back with you later. Hot out of the fryer.
That's right. Gerald. Egg roll? Look how it's hot, okay? This is made with rice paper, so it's not made with the your regular wheat dough.
I'm glad I came hungry.
Light. Very, very, very light.
Goodness gracious.
All right, you guys.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
You guys are on video tasting this, so I need your honest opinion, unbiased.
Well, we've already said how nice the shrimp tasted, all nice and clean. But now, are we attesting to his cooking, or are we attesting to the shrimp ingredients?
Tell me about the shrimp, man.
No, you can taste the shrimp in the egg rolls.
You can.
It's very subtle.
See right there? Yeah.
Let me get in really
close.
close.
The good news is I only have a half because I'd hurt myself if I had more than that.
Okay, tell me about the taste, though. How does it taste?
Very good.
It tastes off the charts delicious.
It's very good.
So I'm gonna probably weigh about.
Thank you. Okay.
We're with TrueLux.
TrueLux, and you're about to sample one of our shrimp egg rolls. All of the shareholders are very interested in what you think about
About
this.
7 million degrees.
They're pretty hot. Very hot.
Yeah, they're delicious.
Really love it.
And both.
Do you both agree that it's pretty good?
Yeah, it's excellent.
Excellent. Well,
Very, very good.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, what you're about to taste, it was alive and well yesterday morning.
It was.
Can't get it much fresher than that.
Wow.
I'd like to get your reaction to this when you taste it.
I got out the paper out.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
Amazing. Oh, okay. I'll take amazing. Douwe, what are you beating to death over here?
This is lemongrass. So I'm gonna make a shrimp stock, and I'm gonna add the lemongrass, let it simmer together, and that's gonna be for our risotto. We're doing another risotto, a little bit different risotto than we did yesterday, but I'm creating some stock. We're gonna do more an Asian, Italian twist risotto.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we'll have some lime in here, lemongrass, of course still the cheeses, scallions, onions, garlic. It's gonna be good.
All right. Well, thank you.
Now I'm gonna finish it off with a dash of soy sauce. It's gonna be a little bit different than people are used to.
Excellent. You just can't get enough of those shrimp, can you?
Gotta try it again.
Thank
you.
Yeah, you got to be sure that they're really amazing.
Wanted to make sure they're good before I tried it live. Before you committed? Yeah, absolutely, they're amazing.
Well, these were grown just west of here in Coste, Texas. You know where Coste is? It's like a 30-minute drive from here. Not very far at all. They were grown indoors in an aquaculture setting. We bought them when they were just little babies, the size of a grain of rice, and raised them to the size that you're eating now.
Wow. Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir, for stopping by.